Astragalus Root, nature's ancient healing secret. What if one root could boost your immune system, protect your heart, slow down aging, and help your body fight stress, all at the same time? For over 2,000 years, healers in ancient China have known about this powerful secret. Today, modern science is finally catching up. This is the story of Astragalus Root, one of the most remarkable healing herbs on the planet, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it, how much to take, and how long to use it to transform your health from the inside out. What is Astragalus, known in traditional Chinese medicine as Huang Qi, is a flowering plant native to China, Mongolia, and Korea. Its root has been used for thousands of years as one of the most foundational herbs in Eastern healing. The root is packed with powerful active compounds, including polysaccharides, each one working together to support your body in a unique and powerful way. Today it is available in many forms, including capsules, powders, teas, tinctures, and liquid extracts, making it easier than ever to add to your daily wellness routine, no matter what your lifestyle looks like. Immune system. The benefit Astragalus is most celebrated for is its extraordinary ability to strengthen and support the immune system. The polysaccharides found in the root stimulate the production and activity of white blood cells, your body's frontline defense against infection, viruses, and disease. Studies show it increases the production of T cells and natural killer cells, helping your body identify and destroy harmful invaders far more efficiently. For immune support, a capsule dose of 500 to 1,000 milligrams taken to 2-3 times daily with food is recommended. This is best used in cycles of 8 to 12 weeks, followed by a 4-week break, and is most effective when started before cold and flu season begins, rather than after symptoms appear. Stress y adapte o GEN. In today's fast-moving world, chronic stress has become one of the biggest threats to long-term health, and this is where Astragalus truly shines as an adaptogen. Is a natural substance that helps your body resist, recover from, and adapt to both physical and mental stress. Astragalus works by helping regulate cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone, and by supporting the adrenal glands that control your energy and stress response. The result is more balanced, sustained energy throughout the day, a calmer mood, and sharper mental clarity, without the crash or dependency that comes from caffeine or stimulants. For stress support, 3 to 6 grams of Astragalus powder daily mixed into a smoothie or warm water works beautifully. Taken consistently for 6 to 8 weeks to feel the full benefit. Heart health. Your heart works every single second of your life without stopping, and Astragalus Root has shown impressive potential in helping protect and strengthen it. Research suggests that regular use may help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol, the harmful kind, and improve the overall efficiency of your cardiovascular system. Its antioxidant properties also appear to work directly on heart tissue, reducing the arterial inflammation that builds up over time and leads to serious heart disease. Some clinical studies have even shown promise in helping patients recovering from heart failure by improving the strength and function of the heart muscle itself. For cardiovascular support, a high-quality extract at 250 to 500 milligrams daily, or 1 to 2 cups of Astragalus root tea each day, is a good approach, taken over 3 to 6 months. And anyone on heart medication should always check with their doctor before beginning. Anti-aging. This is where the science behind Astragalus becomes genuinely fascinating, and where researchers around the world are paying very close attention. Inside the root is a compound called cyclostagenol, which studies suggest may activate an enzyme called telomerase protects and helps rebuild the tips of your DNA strands, known as and shorter telomeres are directly linked to accelerated aging and age-related disease. The longer and healthier the slower your cells age. In Astragalus may be one of the only natural substances with the potential to influence this process. For anti-aging purposes, a high-potency Astragalus extract of 750 to 1,500 milligrams daily, or a specialized cyclostragenol supplement of 10 to 25 milligrams daily, taken over a minimum of 3 to 6 months, gives your body the time it needs to work at the cellular level. Blood sugar and kidney health. For anyone managing blood sugar levels or kidney health, Astragalus offers 2 powerful benefits in one remarkable root. Studies show that Astragalus 4 and the root's natural polysaccharides work together to improve insulin sensitivity, help the body process glucose more efficiently, and reduce fasting blood sugar levels, making it a valuable complementary support for those dealing with type 2 diabetes or though it should always be used alongside, not instead of, prescribed medical treatment. For the kidneys, clinical research in patients with chronic kidney disease found that Astragalus supplementation helped slow the decline of kidney function and reduced protein in the urine, a critical marker of kidney stress. For blood sugar and kidney support, 500 to 1,000 milligrams in capsule form, taken twice daily, with meals over a period of at least 8 to 12 weeks, is the recommended approach, always with regular monitoring and doctor involvement. How to use it. Knowing the benefits is only half the journey. Understanding exactly how to use Astragalus is what makes the difference between average results and real transformation. Capsules and tablets are the most convenient option, with a standard daily dose of 500 to 1,500 milligrams, split across 2 to 3 servings, taken with food. And you should look for a product standardized to at least 0.4% astragalosides to ensure quality and potency. Powder form is ideal for those who prefer a more natural approach, with 1 to 2 teaspoons around 3 to 6 grams stirred into smoothies, soups, or warm water each morning. Tea made by simmering 15 to 30 grams of dried root. Slices for 30 to 45 minutes is the most traditional method and is gentle enough for consistent daily use. Tinctures offer fast absorption at 2 to 4 milliliters taken 2-3 times daily. And dried root slices can even be added directly to broths and cooking, a practice still common in Chinese homes today. How long to use IT and safety? One of the most important things to understand about Astragalus is that it is not a quick fix. It is a long-game herb that rewards consistency and patience. For short-term immune support, 8 to 12 weeks followed by a 4-week break is the ideal cycle. For deeper benefits like anti-aging, heart health, or kidney protection, 3 to 6 months of consistent use followed by a 4 to 6 week rest period allows your body to integrate the full healing potential of the root. For general daily wellness, a low-dose approach of 500 milligrams or 1 to 2 cups of tea can be maintained more regularly, though periodic breaks are still wise. Astragalus is considered safe for most healthy adults, but pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid it, and those with autoimmune conditions like lupus or rheumatoid arthritis should use caution, since stimulating the immune system could worsen their condition. Anyone taking immunosuppressants, blood thinners, or diabetes medications must consult their doctor before starting, and it is always best to begin at a lower dose and increase gradually to allow your body to adjust. Astragalus root is one of nature's most complete and time-tested healing gifts. A single herb that touches the immune system, the heart, the kidneys, the metabolism, the stress response, and even the very DNA that determines how we age. It has stood the test of thousands of years of use across cultures and is now being validated by the tools of modern science in ways that are only becoming more exciting with time. Start with a quality supplement from a trusted brand. Follow the dosages covered in this video, and give your body the weeks and months it needs to truly respond, because real, lasting healing does not happen overnight, but it does happen. If this video gives you value, please like it, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more natural health content just like this. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only, so always work with a qualified healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Kindly visit Rise Again Studio.